Today is February 2025, and this is the procedure on how to unlock a DJI zone. Um, this is a brand specific procedure for DJI. It's just one of their safety components to make sure that you have the proper licensing to fly within restricted airspaces. So, the first thing that you're going to want to do is head to Google, go into this site here, which is flysafedji.com. You're going to log in or sign up for an account. So to ensure a smooth flight, you're going to want to apply for these every time you go to fly, just to make sure that you're not within restricted airspace. Um, Otherwise, your drone will not take off when you want to go use it. So you will hit this here, new unlock request. I've always done the custom unlocking, so you can unlock a full zone. I'm not sure what that would entail. That would be a pretty big flight. So I just do the custom unlocking here. So it's going to ask you for basic information. For the purposes video, I'm going to sample the Mavic 3 at Safeway in Leduc because I know that is within the red zone. So you're going to select the drone and the serial number. This is where you would go if you're adding a new device for the first time. You would fill out here, and then they want to know who's flying the drone. So you could add a new pilot here as well for the first time. So here is where we will find Safeway. So I just search up Leduc, Alberta. Now in Leduc, you can see, well, you can see where the zones are. So if you're going to want to apply for this unlocking license anywhere within this blue zone, so we will zoom into Safeway here, which you can see is part of the red zone. So you need to be an advanced, you need to be an advanced pilot anywhere within this blue zone. So you will see why in a minute. So you will click on circle. You want to click in the middle of where you are flying, and you want to overestimate to the outside. Because if you're set up on a flight path or a flight plan and your plan goes outside of the zone, your drone will not leave that zone. So it will mess up your flight path. You're going to have to return to home and reapply or change your flight path route. So you're going to want to overestimate how far you want to go. Here you can name your operation. And when you apply, it unlocks the zone for one full day. So I find it usually takes less than an hour to get to be approved for the unlocking license here. So I've usually applied on the same day. Uh, the altitude, we're just going to go 400 feet maximum. And then drone application reason, we're just going to say drone inspection. And then I usually like to include the address. So if we go to Safeway Duke, Control B, C, Control V. Okay, here are the files that you need to upload. So this is an advanced operation. So I will need to submit my advanced pilot certificate. It's going to be in number 4 here. Certificate, my certificate, advanced certificate. And then you also need to attach the drone registration. Okay. And then you can just review everything here and then click submit. And then here you'll be able to see all your submissions. So we can see this one waiting for review now. You want to give yourself time to apply because if you do get rejected, you will just have to submit again. Here you will be able to see why you were rejected. So you can check the feedback and then you just have to submit a new request in uh, guidance of why your last one was not approved. So um, when your request is approved, it will say accepted, and then you will be able to fly anywhere within this space. The only thing that you will need to do next is download this accepted unlock request onto the RC remote controller, but we will highlight how to do that in another video. Thank you.